My name is Safiullah Shaam, and I've been in IT industry for about 15 years. And I have about 6 years of Canadian experience. I've completed a 2-year degree program from Sheridan College, and I have my Microsoft, VMware, and Citrix certifications. I found about NetSoft actually from a classmate that was with me, who completed the 2-year degree program from Sheridan College. So he joined NetSoft and he liked it, and then he told me about it and how the trainers are, how the NetSoft is, and then he kind of convinced me to join NetSoft, and that's where I ended up at NetSoft. I've taken about 9 to 10 trainings with NetSoft. The quality of trainings at NetSoft is totally different than other institutes. I've experienced it firsthand. The trainers are well knowledgeable of the materials they teach. They have firsthand IT industry experiences that they share, and at the same time they work at the financial industries and IT industries, and that helps a lot. The topics that they cover, the materials, the hands-on labs, the assignments, and everything overall. NetSoft is very different from other institutes, especially they're very student-focused. They want to change the game for the students. They want to change their mindsets, their skill sets. They really push you to your limits until you realize your potentials actually. NetSoft trainers are very different from other trainers at the other IT institutes. They put a lot of effort on the students, individual students. If you're struggling with anything, they will be there to help you anytime, anywhere. They will provide you with the examples, with the books, with the materials, with the labs, which helps you a lot. Trainings at NetSoft, they are very comprehensive, very intensive. You'll have lots of long hours classes. We used to have classes at the weekends, 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. At the end of the day, you wouldn't feel sleepy. They are very energetic. You do the labs. You build your own environment with the classmates, the group work, cover the materials again and again until you totally understand the topics. So it's very intensive. Trainers at NetSoft will challenge you. They will force you, not kind of force you, but they will make you do labs, make you read the materials, work on your home labs, work on your certifications, work on the group works, a lot of activities. They will, if you're a lazy guy, come to NetSoft and you will forget about laziness, and the focus will change on your life, on your work perspective and everything. So they will challenge you a lot. Pros and cons of being at NetSoft or joining NetSoft is you'll get very knowledgeable trainers, hands-on labs, building your own environments, working on your exam certifications and everything. The cons are you kind of lose a little bit of family and social life, but that's a short time, and after a year or two, you will be fully satisfied with the trainings you have taken and the time you've spent. I can't even count. I've seen a lot of success stories, and I see it every day. Actually, at my workplace, I've seen it many times. So it's a lot of success stories. For a week, you spend a lot of time at work, at home. You do your labs, you work on your certifications, and at the same time, you come to classes, long hours, minimum of 4 or 5 hours of classes. So you'd be spending about 45-50 hours of time every week. NetSoft offers a course which is called Hire Me. which is focused based on making resumes, handling interviews, what kind of interviews you might face in the industry, what kind of questions you might face in the industry. So they really prepare you for future interviews and job offers. I'm most proud of learning virtualization projects, advanced VMware courses that I've done at NetSoft. My favorite training has been the advanced VMware, which is the branch of IT industry that I want to pursue. I would recommend NetSoft to anyone who wants to change their lives, change their careers. NetSoft is a game changer. They are trendsetters. Their quality of education, quality of training is totally advanced and different than the other IT institutes. My message for people who are looking to join NetSoft is that NetSoft is the place for people to join, to make changes in their lives for good, enhance their careers, and land on better jobs.